Realty Capital Partners in Worthington, Ohio. I service Franklin County and all the surrounding counties. The purpose of the show is to enhance the lives of our consumers by educating and empowering them and engaging them in all aspects of real estate and financial matters in our local market. The goals of the show for me are to bring some expert contributors in our local market who can educate our consumers on all aspects of the real estate market. Some of the things that I focus on, I work with a lot of first-time home buyers, and there's some things that they can really learn from lenders that will really help them, people who can help them with any type of investments that they would make in the home buying process. So we'll have credit counselors, mortgage lenders, estate planners, tax advisors, bankruptcy attorneys, a variety of different people who can help in all the real estate transactions. The Columbus market right now is hot. We are finding that it's low inventory, of course, which is the same across the country, but we have low inventory and we have a lot of buyers who are trying to buy right now. So if you have a house on the market, I had, for instance, a home and it sold within 4 days. So our market is really hot. It's growing. We have lots of growth in our downtown market. Columbus is really spending a lot of money on vibrancy in the area, so it's a great place to live and it's a great place to buy a home. When I entered the real estate market in 2007, it was right at the beginning of one of the most turbulent times in the real estate industry. And I naturally migrated to the distressed property arena simply because I was able to help buyers and sellers purchase and sell distressed properties, either foreclosures or pre-foreclosures. So one of the things that I continue to do is to help homeowners who may be struggling right now. They've found themselves in a divorce situation, or they found themselves loss of job or some sort of medical situation that has caused them to not be able to continue to make their mortgage payment. And that's something that oftentimes they are in distress. And I have the opportunity to help them and bring some hope to them and let them know that they do have some options. And that type of transaction is called a short sale. And a short sale is when a homeowner owes more on their property than what it's actually worth. And when we're able to sell that home and help that person to get on the other side of that transaction, and they now have hope and they have an opportunity to let the bad part of that transaction be behind them, that's really rewarding to them and to me as well. The goal of our show is to introduce our listeners to some of the people who are involved in the real estate transaction, and those people include the mortgage lenders, the home inspectors, the appraisers, the title professionals, all the people who help to bring a transaction together. We want to definitely expose them or introduce them to our consumers so that they'll have the best information to be able to make the most advised decision. My name is Raquel Luttaway, and if you've been listening in on our show and you're one of the professionals that we've mentioned and you think that you might be able to contribute to our show, we'd love to have a conversation with you, maybe a cup of coffee. Feel free to give us a call. We'd love to talk with you.